Look, it's our kitchen. It is an all-white kitchen. But, oh, yes, there's a little taupe on the walls, but it's mainly white. What we need here is a little color to make this kitchen look better. But where should we put the color? It could be anywhere. Let's see. Oh, that's a good idea. I don't know that I've ever thought or even seen that before, but that looks pretty good. Let's see. It's a nice little accent, a little pop of color, as they say. But I wonder if we did more with that idea, would it look better? Oh, now that's definitely more. But I think it does look. It looks splendid. It looks nice. The colors go with the taupe and the white. Yeah, it looks nice. It gives the room a little vitality, a little energy. Someone might say that it now looks as though someone actually lives there.